Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet pineapple like this. Actually we can do this stitch, we can do as a bag also, but this one I just do as a pineapple. But you can do it as a basket or bag, because this one I put a drawstring here, so we can open up like this, or we can put things inside and draw it together like this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, see, look exactly like a pineapple. This is a popcorn stitch. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm going to start with 2 chain in the magic ring. Then I'm going to do 8 double crochet in the magic ring. Okay, pull it tight. Then I'm going to slip stitch with the 2 chain. Okay, we will have 8 stitches here. Now I'm going to make 2 chain. Then in the first stitch here, the same place where I'm going to do 5 double crochet. Then take it out. In the first stitch here, insert the hook in the first stitch and pull through the yarn like this. This is called popcorn stitch. Then 1 chain. Okay, 1 chain. We are going to repeat this again, 5 double crochet. So we will have 8 popcorn stitches. One chain, and we are going to repeat repeat this 8 times. Okay, completed. So now slip stitch with the 2 chain just now. Okay, now we have to make 2 chain. Then in the next here, between these 2 popcorns, we are going to insert the hook here and make 5 double crochet. Then we are going to repeat the popcorn, but now in this we are going to make 2 popcorns. Okay, so in each of this space here, chain one space here. We are going to make 2 popcorn stitches, so we will have 16 popcorns in this round. Okay, after this we are going to repeat the 16 popcorn stitches, including this row. We are going to have 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. 6 rounds we will be repeating this. Okay, complete this row. Just now we did the 2 chain, isn't it? So we are going to slip stitch over there. Then we are going to make 2 chain again. Then we are going to repeat the same thing doing the popcorn stitch. Okay, repeat another 2 3 4 5 rows. Then I'll show you how it comes out. Okay, like this we are going to repeat doing 1 popcorn in each of these spaces. Just now we did 2, isn't it? But now we are going to maintain with 1 only in each of these. Okay, so we will have 16 popcorn stitches for another 5 more rows. Okay, completed 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. This one 8. Then after that we have 16 here, because we increase in the second row. Now we are going to cut off and hide the tail. Okay, now I'm going to use the green color. Okay, I'm going to start from here. I'm going to make single crochet here. Okay, now I'm going to make 10 chain. Then I'm going to single crochet in 9 stitches from the second stitch, second chain, left 9 stitches. Then we are going to slip stitch in the same stitch where we started. Okay, now we are going to next one. So we'll have this. So around this we will have 16. Once we complete, I'll show you. Okay, completed. Just cut off. Then we are going to make chain for the drawstring 80 chain. Okay, I've done 80 chain here. So I'm going to insert here. So just insert this way, pull through. Okay, you see the string I pull in already. So we can just tie up here. Whenever you want to open, you can open up like this. So you can put things inside. Okay, the tail, all the tail, later you can hide it. Okay, I hope you like the video and you all will give a try. Then give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe and share. Thank you.